Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM, and this time we're going to be doing a DMC challenge, and it's a plastic kit build. And the plastic kit that I've chosen to do is the Airfix Beach Buggy, and this is model 802412V, and it's 1/32 scale. I have opened it and checked on the instructions. The reason being is I wanted to have a look at the paints. The paints that are suggested are Humbrol paints. I like to use acrylic paints. So what I've done is to find out the Tamiya equivalent, which are there, and in fact I've had them delivered. There we go. Got these off eBay. So we've got X6 orange, X1 black, XF15 flat flesh, flat black, XF1, XF7 which is red, and silver chrome which is X11. So they're the colours we're going to be using, potentially. I say that because what I'm also going to be having a go at is having a go with an airbrush. So the tub of the buggy, we're going to be airbrushing. I have also brought some Vallejo Game Air, and I've got Orange Fire and Glorious Gold. So I'm going to be having a practice with these to see what they lay down like using an airbrush. So it's going to be a bit of a mix and match between airbrushing and using a long airy stick, as I think it's known in the trade. So there we go, that's what we're going to be doing. The way that I'm going to go about doing this is we'll look at the manual. Section 1, paint all parts silver. Well, I am going to do that, obviously paint them all silver, but what I'm also going to be doing is priming it first. Quick rundown on the parts. There's the tub. And we've got a few sprues of parts, a couple of bodies. We'll let you name them if you choose to do so in the comments below. The base pan for the tub. Another sprue set of parts, and a few glass plastic. Got a windscreen and a back window, I think. And finally, if I can get it out, we've got some decals, fairly simple ones. So there we go. I'm going to get all the parts for this laid out, and then we'll stick it together, get it primed, and paint it silver. So I'll get this all assembled first and then show it you when I've done it, and I'll be back to you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Airfix Beach Buggy A02412V 132 scale. This took a while. It took me nearly 2 weeks to get this done. Did enjoy it, and it forced me into using an airbrush, which I haven't done for a long time, and thanks to this model I'll be using the airbrush again on other models. So there we go. This is our entry into the DMC Any Plastic kit build. Please visit the the DMC YouTube channel, where you'll be able to view a gallery of everybody that's taken part. And please visit their channels and lend them your support. So this is PJ signing off, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.